Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Colin. I'm the Foreign Department Manager. Please allow me to show you our factory with this small video. Now we are standing in front of the factory and the whole building is our boss real estate. On the left side, we can see the staff canteen, and on the first floor over there, we can find the mold injection workshop. And then in the middle of the whole building, this is the production building. On the third floor, you can find our assembly workshop and our packing workshop. On the 5th floor, you can find our printing workshop. On the 6th floor, you can find our SMT workshop. SMT is the abbreviation for the name of Surface Mounting Technology. And here, you can find our office building. On the first floor, we can find our PMC and after sales office. On the first and the second floor, we can find our warehouse. On the third floor, you can find our laboratory, our research and development department, our engineering department, our quality assurance department. And yeah, that's all. So now, shall we begin our journey here?